Get ready with me to go to Coachella. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to Coachella, and here's why. Let me tell you this wonderful story while I get ready. I could have gone to Coachella. No problem. As some of you may know, I live in Croatia. Croatia. And that is, in fact, in Europe. So for me to go to Coachella, I should have actually organized the trip at least like a month before, And that would not have been a problem. A month ago, I was in a relationship, the ship of relation. He didn't like it when I traveled without him. And he did not want to go to Coachella. As a Cancerian queen myself, I hate conflict. I despise conflict. So I was like, okay, I'm not going. Let me tell you a little secret. That was a mistake. Please don't ever think like this. As that one song says, I forgot I was a bad bitch. Tragic. But it's a little too late to go to Coachella because it's literally like today. But you know what? I can still do my makeup how I would if I did go. That's pretty sad. It's actually not. I'm gonna feel so good after this. So I don't usually wear eyeshadow. And I feel like we should change that, I think this is close to that eyeshadow. Okay, now a little bit here. I actually can't believe I'm doing this to stay home and eat noodles. So far, so good. God, I hate this. This is the thing I hate. And the last thing is, I don't really know where I'm going, but I'm gonna put them randomly. This is kind of what I did. Now I have to repeat it. Chances of this being the same are 0. Okay, this is starting to look seriously good. The noodles did not deserve this. I'm sorry, but who is she? I did not know I looked like that. Damn. I love it. Lipstick I'm actually gonna do with an eyebrow pencil. It's like the perfect brown. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of pink. Just, for vibes. Currently, I would actually date myself. I'm gonna go do my hair. And you know what's up? I'm gonna get back to you with a little transition. Something cute. And I am definitely taking this out. Like, for sure. See you soon.